What's up everyone, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a look at another killer creation from the wheel engineers over at SVE. This is their R350 wheel, and it is totally badass, so let's check it out. SVE's R350 wheel is currently available in 3 stunning finishes, which include a tried and true gloss black, a liquid graphite, and a satin bronze, which at this time is an R350 exclusive color. With its race-inspired 7-spoke concave design, this R350 wheel is the first-class pass to get your 2005 to 2017 Mustang dialed in. Continuing with SVE's industry-leading attention to detail, you get a R350 specific center cap, which incorporates a chrome SVE logo in the foreground and a properly suited R in the background. Now, unlike other wheel offerings found on the market that feature generic measurements, SVE engineered this wheel to have correct offsets and backspacing dimensions to properly fill out the wheel well openings on your S197 or S550 Mustang. Now, instead of going with a conventional one-piece cast aluminum construction, SVE utilized high-end flow forming technology when producing this R350 wheel. Flow forming involves the application of pressure to the inner barrel of the wheel while spinning and of course after it's been cast. This is going to stretch and compress the aluminum, which increases overall tensile strength and allows for the production of a lighter wheel versus a cast wheel. Shelby GT350 and GT350R owners will have their own 19x10 and 19x11 wheel. The 19x10 wheel will incorporate a 6.29-inch backspacing, a positive 20mm offset, and it's going to tip the scale at 25.6 pounds. Now the 19x11 wheel will feature a backspacing of 8.36 inches, a positive 60mm offset, and they're going to weigh in at 24 pounds. Now for the rest of you 2005 to 2017 Mustang owners, this R350 is also going to be offered in a 1910 and 1911. The 19x10 wheel will incorporate a 6.88-inch backspacing, a positive 35mm offset, and they're going to tip the scale at 24.4 pounds. The 19x11 wheel will feature a backspacing of 7.97 inches, a positive 50mm offset, and they're going to weigh in at 24.5 pounds. SVE's wheels do carry a limited lifetime structural warranty and a 2-year finish warranty to give you a great peace of mind when considering an SVE wheel. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great products from industry leader SVE. This R350 wheel from SVE is available exclusively from the only Mustang enthusiasts, LMR.com.